Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I said that really weird. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this look right here. It's like bronzy, glittery, glam, the red lip. I don't do red lips very often on this channel. Guilty. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Right, so guys, I'm gonna jump right on in with my Soft Glam palette by ABH. I'm going to zoom you into the eyes because I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm looking a bit scary, I'm not going to lie. I don't know if it's because I've got concealer eyes at the minute, but it's freaking me out. So I'm going to zoom you in. Right guys, I guess we'd better jump right in then, eh? So yeah, going in with this palette here, I wanted to do a really bronzy look, so obviously I chose this. I mean, it's got the best kind of colours. I mean, out of all the ABH palettes, I think this one and the Modern Renaissance, if I could say it, are my favourite palettes. But yeah, I guess let's go on in. I have already obviously done my eyes with some concealer and I put powder on it. So I am going to go in with Burnt Orange, this shade here, just as my transition shade on a really fluffy brush. But yeah, I don't know if you noticed, I've dyed my hair. Like, I'm still blonde, but I've done darker roots. I just thought it matches my brows a bit better. And I wanted to see if it made my eyes like more blue or something. Just fancied a bit of a change. Like, I get bored, but I don't have the guts to go too adventurous with my hair. Like I did when I was like younger in school. Like, I think I went through so many hair colours and I'm surprised my hair didn't fall out. But like, I've had black hair, I've had brown, I've had red hair, I had like orange hair. It was an accident, but I had orange hair. And then once I tried dyeing it brown, it went auburn. And I finally got time off work now, which is, it's just such a relief. Like, I got 2 weeks off of work. I'm gonna go on holiday and then I'm just relaxing. The next colour I am gonna go in with is Sienna. But yeah, really excited just to have some time off. And I'm hopefully gonna take advantage of that time and try and do as many videos as I can, you know? Because we're nearly at 150. So that's my goal. Me and my friends went out as well on the weekend and it was just so fun. But yeah, it was so much fun. We got to go out and, you know, get glam, get all dressed up. Which I very rarely ever do get dressed up. But like, I think I've like sustained some sort of injury or something. Because every time I like lift my arm up, like the muscle like from where like your boob and your armpit are, it is killing me. Like just on one arm. So it can't be from working out because surely that would be on both arms because I do the same exercises at the same time. But it's got to be when I was out because for some reason fist pumping, which I never ever fist pump. Obviously that must have been the alcohol and not me. And it's been a week and it's still hurting. And like, I hardly ever drink, so because obviously I'm on this calorie deficit and whatever, you know, I try not to drink. But it was nice, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, now that I've got this time off, guys, you'll have to let me know what kind of videos, what kind of content you want me to do. Because I've got so much time at the minute. I just dropped the brush. I've got so much time at the minute that let me know what videos you want to see so I can get that content out to you, like, as soon as, hopefully, like, after my holiday. Because obviously I'm not going to be able to film when I'm on my holiday. That'd be a bit tricky. Right, what colour do I want to do now? I think I want to go and mix Cypress Ember and Mulberry together. And just really lightly, as you can see, like my fingers, my hand, is like literally like at the end of the brush. And I'm just really lightly buffing that in the outer V there. It is a bit like colouring in if you think about it. I used to love colouring in as a kid. My dad would just buy me colouring book after colouring book. I think I'm happy with the smokiness of that. But yeah, I don't know if it's really annoying when I talk a lot. I tend to get the feeling that I'm quite annoying. I should probably tell you what I'm using. I'm using the Stila, it's not the glitter ones, Shimmer and Glow in the shade Kitten. It's the not glitter ones, it's just like a shimmer. And I'm using that to kind of cut my crease, but I'm not doing too thick of a base. not too worried if it's not like a perfect cut crease, you know. On it first, I'm going to apply the NYX Foil Play pigment in the shade Dagger. It's like a copper, yeah, like a coppery gold colour. I'm just taking whatever's in the lid and applying that on the outer part first. And this is where I like to do my eyes first because I know I always get so much fallout. I mean, you don't have to use the Steeler shadow if you haven't got it, but I just wanted to use it as a bit of a base for my shimmers. For the inner part of the eye, for the eye, I'm going to go in with Fairy. Also applying that. Then I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange and Sienna on a big fluffy brush. Tap off any of the excess and just start to blend that where the mattes and the shimmer shadows meet. And I like to dab and then try and blend just so it doesn't really disrupt any of the shadow. And I am going to be applying a glitter today. Glitter today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in Star Power. Just looks like one of these, like a champagne-y gold. But first I'm going to apply a bit of glue onto my lid. I really like that, to be fair. So I think I'm going to try and catch up on the other one quickly, just off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I think we're all caught up. I do, however, just want to deepen it out a bit. I feel like I say this in every tutorial. I'm just like, just deepen it out a little bit, you know. So I'm going to go back into Cypress Umber and Mulberry. These two. Just having a good old mix up. I've got glitter everywhere. It literally feels like I'm covered in like pixie dust. And just putting that in the outer V. I've been really liking doing gel liner lately, so I'm back in with my Inglot liner in 77. Okay, so I used a bit of Cypress Umber with just a small detail brush and kind of smudged out that line a little bit. And I kind of like the look of it, to be honest. I will just have to get a wet wipe in a minute and just kind of wipe under it to make the line sharp at the bottom. But sacrifices had to be made. So I'm just going to go and do that fairly quickly. And now let's pray that it looks identical to the next one. Now it's time to slap on some mascara. Don't literally slap on because, you know, injuries. I'm just using some MAC mascara. So for lashes, I'm going to go in with my Lily lashes. These are really fluffy and really fucking gorge. And cream contour, you know the drill, with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Sand. This is all part of our plan to be bronzy. I'm going to go with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Then I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier powder just to set all my concealers in place. We are all set now. So time for bronzer. I'm going to go with my Becca bronzer in Sunrise Waves. It's like the perfect glowy bronzer. And just bronzing up the face. Bronze up that double chin. And to contour, I'm just going to use my ABH contour kit. And the nose. And then I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild apricot in the middle blush, just because it's a really subtle and nude blush. And apply that. So finishing off with the eyes, I'm going to go in with that burnt orange shade first. Then I'm going to go in with Sienna. Then I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber and Mulberry together. And really smoke it. Just going to apply some bottom lash mascara. So I finished my eyes. I just put some MAC Nylon in the inner corner and on my brow bone. But yeah, I'm going to just go in with my MAC Hyper Real Glow. And I'm going to use this one here to highlight the cheekbones. And, you know, everywhere else on my face. Then for a bit of a topper, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics, the loose highlighter in Santorini. Then for the lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in Brick and Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in Lady Balls. So guys, this is the finished look. So yeah, I went for this kind of really bronzy, sparkly eye, red lip. You know, I actually really like this colour. It's not too bright, too out there. If you enjoyed this look, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you think. If you're going to try this look out, let me know. And feel free to subscribe. That would mean so much to me if you did. And feel free to follow me on Instagram. Instagram is lacy.makeup. I'm always on there. It's kind of my life now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.